Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to insert data in table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler and we are going to execute query and we are going to add data in table in Oracle database. Now you see Oracle DB we selected. So first we are going to create table. Now paste and then you see create table. So this is our table name employee and then you see employee ID column name and then you see number. So this is our data type primary key. So this is our another column name, data type length 15 not null. So we have three column and then click on run. So after that we are going to add data in table. Now you see output status successfully executed, your output table created. Now we are going to insert data. Now write insert into, then add table name employee. Now add values. Now start bracket. So our first column is employee ID number. Now add 1. Now add comma. Now start inverted comma. So we are going to add name. Now Hassan. Now again comma. Now start inverted comma again because we are going to add department name. And then you see web. So we have three column in table. So we added three values in query. Insert into employee value of 1 Hassan web and then click on run. And then you see output status successfully executed, table created by using this query, 1 row created. Now you see insert into employee value of 1 Hassan web. Now you see output 1 row created. And then we are going to display data. Now write select static from, then add table name employee. Now add semicolon, again click on run. Now you see output. Now you see table created by using this query, data inserted by using this query, and then you see employee ID name department by using this query. So you can insert data into employee table by using insert query, insert into employee value of 1. You will find all query in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.